Hello, and welcome to another update on SUI. We are currently here in this local downtrend in a C wave, which is, still unfolding. And the idea is that within this C wave, we started potentially a wave 4 bounce, right? It's a very slow move to the upside at the moment. Yeah, I mean, it reminds me a little bit of the move up that we saw here in June, right? If you compare that, maybe, have first reaction and maybe a pullback and then continuation. But we'll see how high that goes. I mean, the blue scenario in which we track this as a wave 4 bounce is technically, you could say, plausible as long as the market stays below 221. We're now at 154. There is plenty of room for the market to extend higher if it wants to in that blue wave 4 without the need to change, let's say, the labeling or the wave structure. Yeah, that's very, very important. So we are tracking that. Very, very important to understand. Very important to understand that the move to the upside can still be a corrective bounce, even if we go all the way up to that 50% retracement. Okay. Now it is important to understand as well that after the fourth wave is complete, we could easily get one more low. And there is currently nothing in the chart that would confirm to me that something more bullish is going on. Now, there's nothing there that tells me that there's an upside breakout or something brewing. Of course, I'll always watch for that. Bear in mind, the market reached the blue target zone, especially not just any level. The price reached the 100% Fibonacci extension, which is a very, very common target for such a pullback. Very is something I would keep an eye on. And but overall, I mean, we would need basically a break above 221, 222 for anything more bullish. So let's also take a look at the shorter time frame for SUI, and I'll go to the lower time frame chart, smaller time frame chart. What you see here is definitely interesting. So we're tracking here at the moment an ABC structure to the upside in a wave 4. And the idea earlier today, or rather yesterday, was that this here could turn into a 5-wave move. Remember, in yesterday's video, we had only 3 waves on the radar. And I said to you, we could easily get one more high. That would give us the completed A wave in 5 waves. That actually happened. And so that means possibly wave B has started the pullback, and we saw already a dip. This here would likely be an ideal A wave, this intraday low that formed at around $1.46. Now, this might be even a B wave bounce. And then if we now go a little bit lower, this could be our C wave. As long as we're holding this Fibonacci support zone, I'd like to see an extension in the C wave higher to complete that wave 4, circle 4. Resistance starts at 168, but the ideal one would, I think, be around 196. So micro support is located between 149 and 137. This is the zone to watch. And there are additional levels around 145, 142, and 137. So just important that we don't need to test them all, but as long as the market can defend that 137 level, the focus can be on higher prices. So that's what we're tracking at the moment. SUI is also attacking here this trend line at the moment. And you can see how relevant it is. I mean, we're kind of dancing around it, but it's starting to break. The bears could defend that line here earlier in November strongly, but now we're trying to break above it. It's not really a decisive break yet, but that's definitely what I'm watching for. So good news. We have a possible 5-wave move up. It's not the cleanest one, I have to say. We might even get one more extension in wave A, but for now, this is the support zone. I would rather treat this as a range, in which we're currently moving. So that's the update on SUI. Hope you enjoyed the update. If you did, please hit the like button. Leave a comment and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then check out the MCO community. Feel free to join the family. There's currently our Black Friday week offer. Feel free to use it if you want to join our annual membership on the website. The discount is only valid for the annual membership. It's all described here if you want to check it out. And I'll leave a link in the comments section. Obviously, as a gold member, you get access to our Discord server, you get access to our chat rooms, you get access to an Elliott Wave course, regular educational content that's being updated. You get access to lots of additional updates, crypto updates, even gold and silver is included as a bonus. Many people don't even know that. And all the TradingView chart links and much more. See you there. Bye-bye.